Hi you guys, welcome to this session which is going to be focused on releasing tension in the hips, your backs, and it's going to help you relax. So when you're ready, meet me on the mat. We're going to begin in child's pose, but we're going to do a modification. So you can keep your knees together if you want, or you can take them wide. And as you exhale, walk your hands forward and take the left arm and thread it under the right, bringing the left ear and shoulder to the mat. We're going to stay here for a few breaths, and if you want a deeper stretch, you can lean back into the left shoulder. We're going to take slow, deep breaths. So breathe in through your nose, and out either through your nose or mouth. Soften your shoulders. And use your exhales to let go of any tension in your body. Release the left arm, bring it forward, and this time take the right arm and thread it on the left. Again, if you want a deeper stretch, you can lean back into the right shoulder. Stay focused on your breaths and use your exhales to relax as much as you can. Release the right arm, bring it forward, and meet me in tabletop. So wrist under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Bring the right hand to the right ear, and as you inhale, circle the arm up. Then exhale, circle down. Again, circle the arm up. Then exhale down. Inhale, open the chest. Then exhale, close. One more time. Now bring the hand down, and this time take the left hand, bring it to the left ear, and inhale, open the chest. Then exhale, close. Again, inhale, open. Then exhale, close. Two more times. One more time. Now bring the left hand to the mat, and then from here extend the right leg out to the side. The right foot is in parallel to the left knee, and when you're ready, inhale, open the chest, reach the right arm up to open twist. Then exhale, close, and thread the right arm under the left. Again, inhale, open the chest. Feel the stretch in your shoulder and your hips. Then exhale, close. Again, inhale, open. Then exhale, close. Now come back to center. And we're going to repeat the same on the other side. So extend the left leg out to the side. Check that the left leg is in line with the right knee. And when you're ready, inhale, open the chest. Then exhale, close. Again, inhale, open. Exhale, close. One more time. Now come back to center, bring the left leg in, and then from here, tuck the toes and push your body back and send your hips up to the sky for downward facing dog. We're gonna walk the dog. So what does that mean? It means bending one knee and extending the other one, And then switch. Switch and continue like this at your own rhythm. It is okay if your heels don't touch the mat. What matters is that you feel the stretch at the back of your legs, your shoulders, and your arms. If you want, you can move your hips from side to side. Whatever feels good for your body right now. Just make sure that your spine is straight as much as possible. So feet are as wide as your hip, settle into the pose. You can bend your knees slightly if you want. Take a deep breath in and out through your mouth. And when you're ready, as you inhale, lift the right leg up, bend the knee, bring the knee to your nose, step between your hands, and lower the back knee. If you need a little bit of extra cushion at the back knee, then you can bend the mat. And then from here, as you inhale, lift the arms up, open the chest. Now tuck your tailbone, and as you exhale, melt your hips down to the mat and bring your hands on top of the right thigh. Check that the right knee is on top of the ankle. And you have the option to stay here if you want, or if you want a deeper stretch, you can place the left hand on the mat, bend the left knee, and grab the left foot with the right hand. Open the chest. And we're gonna stay here for a few breaths. Place both hands on the mat. Tuck the left toes and exhale to find downward dog. On your next inhale, extend the left leg up, bend the knee, bring the knee to your nose, step between your hands, and place the back knee on the mat. As you inhale, lift the arms up, open the chest. Now tuck your tailbone and melt your hips down towards the mat, bringing your hands to the left thigh. Again, you have the option to stay here if you want, or if you want a deeper stretch, you can place the right hand on the mat, bend the right knee, and grab the right foot with the left hand. Open the chest. And focus on your breath. Place both hands on the mat, tuck the right toes, and go back into downward dog. Now inhale, push your shoulders forward. Now shoulders go past your wrist. Bend the elbows and lower your body all the way down to the mat. Hands are below your shoulders, and send your hips to your heels for child's pose. We're gonna hold for a breath. And now come up into a kneeling position. So we're gonna go into our backs. So bend the knees, place your hands behind your hamstrings, and roll all the way down to the mat. So keep your feet as wide as your hip, and your knees are on top of your ankles. Palms are facing down. And as you inhale, push your hips up towards the sky. You can keep your hands where they are, or you can interlace your fingers behind. And we're gonna stay here only for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Extend the right leg. Place the right ankle on top of the left thigh. And you have the option to stay here if you want, or you can interlace your fingers behind your left hamstring. Exhale, bring your legs to your chest. And push the right knee back. Release your hands and let your legs drop to the left side for a spinal twist. You can place your hands wherever feels comfortable for you. Now let's switch sides. This time, extend the left leg, place the left ankle on top of the right thigh, and again you have the option to stay here if you want, or you can interlace your fingers behind your right hamstring. As you exhale, push your legs towards your chest. And try to push the left knee away from your chest. Release your hands, and this time let your legs drop to the right. Bring your legs to center. Give them a really nice hug. If you want, you can rock from side to side. Release your legs and extend your legs as wide as your mat for Shavasana. Thank you for joining me in this class. If you have any requests, leave it in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and follow for more. Namaste.